Hey, what's up, y'all? So I am sitting here with Brittany Mandera. How many times have I said that today?
That was the fourth time, and that was the best time.
Okay, cool.
That was amazing.
Yeah. So we just did a podcast, and it was awesome. Brittany is a really good friend and super inspiring. Every time I'm around her, I learn something great about leadership, being outdoors, personal protection, which you're really, really good at. And so check out the podcast. You'll learn a lot. And we have a class coming up.
We do.
Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so we've got a class coming up. It's on July 10th from 8 to noon at the Clark County Shooting Complex.
What day of the week is that?
That's a Friday.
Oh, cool.
It's on a Friday morning, and yeah, it's going to be a great class. This will be the second time we've done this together.
Yeah, the first one was so great.
So
Loved
great.
it.
Such a good time. And it's for anybody. It's from anyone who's a beginner to advanced level. So it's open to anybody.
If you bought a gun and you've never fired it before, you can come to this class. Actually, we had people at the last class that were like that.
100%.
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. So anybody's welcome. And it's a really good time, and we're going to do some extra stuff this time where we're going to do little like personal development stuff, and it'll be a good time. It'll be fun. I'm really excited. I always like working with you guys.
Yeah. It's a good community. So, and all about personal protection. We believe in people's right to learn how to protect themselves.
Absolutely,
right? So,
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So we're excited about it. Anything else we need to know about it?
I think that's it. Oh,
right.
You can sign up pointfirearmsinstruction.com or reach out to Paul, our SVP thing. We got you.
Yeah,
So
we'll
just
have some
reach
links
out.
and stuff associated with this video. Check it out. Hope to see you guys there.
Okay, so Paul screwed it up this time.
What?
Just it was bad, Paul.
What?
I know.
I thought that was good.
Oh, God.